Hello everyone, so today a special treat, the result of months of work. Some of you may already know my previous decent XC keyboard. Today I'm presenting, but this time for the XL computers. So the 600XL or the 800XL can both get new, redesigned mechanical keyboards using both modern and vintage keycaps. So here it is. This is the new decent XL keyboard for Atari 800 and 600XL computers. It's a full mechanical keyboard. You might notice some differences with the regular XL keyboards, but this is the modern version, meaning that these are new keycaps, new everything, basically. It's a drop-in replacement for the existing keyboards. Yeah, it has new keycaps, but if you want, there is also a version that you can build or buy that uses the vintage keycaps. So for this, you need a donor Atari XL keyboard, and you get the caps from that, and you can use little 3D printed adapters to make the interface between the modern switches and the vintage keycaps. This is the same thing that I did on the XC keyboard. This is an example of the vintage version of the XC keyboard, and as you can hear, this is a real mechanical keyboard. But it uses the vintage keycaps, so there is no difference visually with the regular keyboard. So the same thing will be true for the XL, but today I can only show you the modern version because this is the only one that I've built so far, but all the files are already in place to build the vintage one. I just need to get the adapters printed and so on. How does it feel? How does it sound? So this one is equipped with some linear switches. Yeah. Very happy about the result here. Typing sensations are completely new and way better than what you would get from a stock keyboard, and pretty much very comparable with what you'd get from a good modern PC mechanical keyboard. And visually, we were able to find keycaps that are actually pretty damn close to the color scheme of the Excel computers, so we are very happy about that. You might notice the console keys here and wonder, okay, did he use the original console keys? No, those are new, actually. So those are basically 3D printed caps with some vinyl brushed metal stickers on top, and they look amazing. You might be able to notice that this keyboard is backlit. So yeah, there is an LED for each switch, including for the console keys. And of course, you can change the brightness of this. There are also anti-ghosting diodes in there, which make the typing experience very stable and enable you to, better control multiple key presses when you do that, when you type fast, for example. Yeah, so let's take a look at the inside of this guy. Yeah, so inside you have those 3D printed brackets that hold the keyboard in place, and from the typing, it actually provides a very, very stable typing experience because the keyboard doesn't move at all in any direction. It's really solidly held to the case. This includes two boards. There is one separate board for the console keys and one board for the rest of the keyboard, and those two are connected with a very small ribbon cable, this type of cable. And the connection to the motherboard is through custom flexible PCB. This is not the final version, but it works. The final version is a little longer and gives you more space to work. And there you have it, the 600XL keyboard.